Hi everybody, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom and me.
Our day
Activity is to make a poinsettia. It's a Christmas flower. This sounds fun, so let's get started.
So we will need a glue gun, cardboard roll, a scale, red paint, 3 white pom-poms, a string, pencil, paintbrush, and a scissor. So we'll start off by putting 10 marks each at a distance of 1.5 centimeters. Now we're going to cut along each mark we made. Now we're going to paint these red. The same for the rest of your petals. Our petals are done and dried up. Now we're going to glue them in the shape of a poinsettia. Now we're gonna put some petals inside. Pom-poms on the poinsettia. Let's put the string and then we'll hang it on our Christmas tree. Here's our poinsettia. I hope you enjoyed making this poinsettia with me. Do follow us on our page to see the upcoming videos and don't forget to try this out. Bye, see you next time.